Yan, dito, dito. Dito talaga yan. Dito sa gilid. Dito sa gilid. Dito. Yan, dito. Okay.
Hello guys, I am Flake.
And I am playing. Today, we're playing now. So basically,
Knockout.
you do here is you knock out penguins and try to win ice. That's how it works. So are you ready to play, fam? Let's go.
I
So-
really need ice. I will need
So look,
ice.
so this is what it looks like. This is the perspective of it.
I really need the ice to put.
Hey
Hey
guys,
guys, I am Flake.
we're playing today. Welcome to another video. Today we're playing Mario Pizza Place.
Yay!
Basically, you need like fork here and make pizzas. So the example is you can pick something like cashier,
Cook, manager.
and the slicer. That slices that pizza. So are you ready to play, fam? Let's get it.
Yay!
Let's go, Blake. So Blake is a chef, and I am the cashier.
That's your name.
Tapos yung dadalo
And
yaangat
this
pa
is
ng
my
konti.
name.
Konti lang naman yaangat. Yung parang design.
Hello guys, I am Flake.
And I'm playing. Today, welcome to another video.
Super fan.
Today, we're playing Camper Van. Basically, you freaking have friends and
Or role play.
yeah, and have fun. Talking.
But
So, are you
don't
guys
go.
ready?
But don't go on the road because you might die.
Yeah, you might die, but yeah, ready?
I died.
That's an example of falling. The road.
Why am I in the second floor now?
So, are you ready for your team, fam? Let's go.
I just found that.
Where are you? Why are you making the trip to look down? Wait,
Hey guys, I'm Flake.
and I'm playing.
Today we're gonna play Snap Battle.
The weapon for today is like blackmail. Basically, you gotta do is slap people off the mat and win it. And you get slapped and you slap them back. So are you ready for the team? Let's go! So basically, you start like this. Hey, come here, I'm gonna show the example. Come here, friend. Yep, just like that.